So as you can see, no, pinindot ko lang siya, it's already automatic. Hi future homeowners! Welcome back again to our YouTube channel here at your top realtor. So for today's vlog, we will feature another house tour dito sa malapit sa Clark International Airport, which is accessible to the Korean town here in Angeles City. So this one has an automated gate. So as you can see, no, pinindot ko lang siya, it's already automatic. So as we've entered dito sa house, so you have 2-car garage, ayan, so that could fit in. And then on your right side, ito, so you have your naka-landscape na garden. And of course, ito yan, as you've entered, you will be greeted with your living area. So, diba, ang laki ng pwede mong i-install na television dito, right? So, and then after that, on your right side naman, this could be your dining area. So, this could fit in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8-seater dining area. And then, adjacent to your dining area is your kitchen. So, this could be your clean kitchen, and actually, this could be your island kitchen, right? So, ayan, meron na din siyang mga cabinet, and of course, you have already your refrigerator here. So, this one is already fully furnished. So, maglalagay ka na lang ng mga laman ng iyong refrigerator. So, ayan. This will be your clean kitchen. On the other side, you have your dirty kitchen. So if you would wish to do your home cooking din dito, pwede din, and even your laundry. Okay, so this will be adjacent also to your swimming pool. So ito yung swimming pool niya. So this will be your swimming pool, and meron kang staff house or utility room there that you could use on top of the 5 bedrooms with toilet and bathroom. Okay, so let's go inside and explore. On the ground floor, you also have your own room here. So, ito siya. Ayan. So as you can see, bagong-bago with plastic pa. Oh. So this could be your perfect sa mga senior citizen na ayaw nang umakyat. But basically, this one comes also with your own toilet and bathroom here. Ayan. So as you can see, meron na siyang tawag dito, the heater, water heater installed na din. So tapos what I love here, ano na din siya, oh, 'di ba? Ganda, no? So this would be on your ground floor na own room. So let's explore upstairs yung pang other bedrooms natin. Let's go. So we'll go on the second floor. This could be the design of your second floor. So if you've noticed, meron pa siyang hallway. And of course, you have your very modern chandelier na design dito sa staircase na area mo. And then, I want to excite you with the master's bedroom natin. So let's go. This will be your master's bedroom. Ayan. Diba? Very spacious, no? And very brand new. And one thing I love about this house is the curtains. So with the curtains, very modern, and may pagka-blue, white, and dark blue. So that's one of my favorite colors, by the way. And with your master's bedroom, you have the adjacent, or you have your balcony here. Ayan. So this will be your, wait lang. Meron siyang balcony. O, di ba? So, yan. Kita mo yung mga kapitbahay, and this is your neighborhood. Yan. So, very modern yung mga design din ng mga neighbors mo. Okay? So, since this will be your master's bedroom, one thing then I love with this master's bedroom is meron siyang, of course, sariling toilet and bathroom, and meron siyang jacuzzi. Ayan, diba? So, ang ganda. And then with that, meron din siyang mga closet, no, or cabinets, no, na naka-installed already. And social din yung kanyang yung kanyang shower area, di ba? Ganda. Wala akong masabi. It's so amazing. And let's explore the other rooms. Alright. Dito naman, this will be actually technically your third bedroom, wherein you also have the view. You have a very wide open na window na yan, tanaw na tanaw mo yung sa kapitbahay mo din, di ba? But of course, kung ayaw mo naman, yan, pwede mo naman i-curtain. So again, every rooms has their corresponding own toilet and bathroom. Ayan. So, ayan siya. See? And then, next bedroom, dami, no? So, next bedroom would be your fourth bedroom. So, this will be your fourth bedroom. Ayan. So, meron talaga silang mga malalaking window for the natural lights. Ayan. Okay. So, yan. Very bluish yung theme ng house, kaya favorite ko to. And then, of course, again, every room has their own corresponding toilet and bathroom. Ayan. And lastly, your fifth bedroom. So, ito yung siya. So, every, as I have noticed, every bedrooms, meron silang kanya-kanyang unique design din naman. And very spacious. And again, bawat room din may wide or na window wherein yun, sa mga natural light, diba? So, yan. So, that's it for sa mga bedrooms, and we're going to summarize the details of this property. So, in summary of this house tour, we have a lot area of 200 square meter, and we have the 300 square meter of floor area, and we have 5 bedrooms with own toilet and bathroom. And yung master's bedroom natin, meron siyang own jacuzzi. And then, syempre, we have the feature of this house is yung swimming pool niya, and meron pa siyang staff house. And then this one is already fully furnished and with 2-car garage with automated gate. So, yan. Of course, the location is very accessible to the Clark International Airport and sa Korean town, since this is located in Angeles City. So the question is, how much naman tong bahay na to? So this one comes with a price of 21.5 million pesos. So for more information about this house, feel free to message us with this number, and we're more than happy to have a house tour so that you may call it your own home. So see you on our next vlog. Bye for now.